We were all standing in our trenches yesterday morning, Christmas morning. It was crisp and quiet all about, as beautiful a morning as I have ever seen, as cold and frosty as a Christmas morning should be. So I had told you that Macpherson is here describes his experiences at the war camp, right? And here we were all standing in our trenches. Trenches means long, deep ditches in the ground where soldiers hide from the enemy. Means it is uh, used for the soldiers to hide from the enemies. That is trenches. We were standing in the trenches, and yesterday morning was Christmas morning, and it was quiet weather, fresh weather. Hmm? And it was a beautiful morning I have ever seen. Got it. See, it is exactly a day between the war, and the war was between Fritz and what Germans and British. We use here Fritz for German and Tommy for English army, right? So here, what Macpherson tries to tell that every day what was happening, war was going on in that field, but it was somewhat different this day. That's why Macpherson have to tell to his wife. Got it? I should like to be able to tell you that we began it. Hmm? But the truth I'm ashamed to say is that Fritz began it. Actually, we had to begin the war. But what happens is that one, Fritz began. Fritz means a German soldiers. Fritz began. First, someone saw a white flag waving from the trenches opposite. Means when they see a white flag waving from the trenches opposite side, at that time we can start the war. Then they were calling out to us from across no man's land. That is the starting of the war. No man's land means no man's land actually means a undefined place in the war land. That is no man's land. At that time, Happy Christmas, Tommy, Happy Christmas. When we had got over the surprise, some of us shouted back, Same to you, Fred, same to you. Means instead of beginning that war, they were wishing to each other that Happy Christmas. Somebody from Fritz called out Happy Christmas, Tommy. Tommy means a British soldiers. Happy Christmas, Tommy. And then some of them from this Tommy, British Army, replied, Same to you, Fritz. I thought that would be that. Well, all did. But then suddenly one of them was up there in his grey great coat and waving a white flag. Don't shoot, lads, someone shouted, and no one did. Then there was another Fritz up on the parapet and another. Keep your heads down. I told the men it's a trick, but it wasn't. Actually, uh, one among the Fritz stood up and told don't shoot means don't need war now like that. And I told that what keep your heads down, it is a trick from the Fritz, but it was not a trick from the Fritz, it was different, somewhat different. One of the Germans was waving a bottle above his head. It is Christmas Day, Tommy. We have schnapps, we have sausage, we meet you. Yes, by this time there were dozens of them walking towards us across no man's land and not a rifle between them. One of the Germans was waving a bottle above his head. It's Christmas Day, Tommy. We have schnapps, we have sausage. See here, actually, Germans decided to celebrate Christmas and they decided to stop the war at this day. And they showed bottles, drinks, and they had sausage. Sausage means a dish made by meat, that is sausage. And they have schnapps means a German drink made from grain, that is schnapps means they were decided to celebrate Christmas in that war field. Little Private Maurice was the first up. Come on, boys, what are we waiting for? And then there was no stopping them. I was the officer. I should have stopped them there and then. So, Macpherson was the leader of the English army. So, little Private Maurice asked, come on, boys, why are you waiting for? So, the Fritz asked, what are you waiting for? Come on, celebrate. Then, what Macpherson is telling, like, why should I stop my army? I am the officer and I could not stop them. I suppose, but the truth is that it never even occurred to me I should. All along their line and ours, I could see men walking slowly towards one another, grey coats, khaki coats, meeting in the middle. And I was one of them. I was part of this. In the middle of the war, we were making peace. Means Macpherson is describing the experience that it was exactly strange because in the war field grey coat means it represents the German army and khaki coats represents the English army. These both teams were walking peacefully in the war field and in between the war days, that is here, means Macpherson is telling like we were making peace in between the in middle of the war. Hmm? They are going to celebrate Christmas in the middle of the war. That Macpherson is telling like. You cannot imagine, dearest Connie, my feelings as I looked into the eyes of the Fritz officer who approached me, hand outstretched. Hans Wolf, he said, gripping my hand warmly and holding it. I am from Dusseldorf. I play the cello in the orchestra. Happy Christmas. So here we can say Hans Wolf is another character and he is the leader of Fritz, means German army. And he introduced himself to our Jing Macpherson by holding his hand. He introduced himself as Hans Wolf and he was from Dusseldorf. And I play the cello in the orchestra. Means he was a cello means instrument, musical instrument like large violin. He was a player of what cello in the orchestra. And also he wished happy Christmas to Macpherson. See, all these things are happening in the middle of the war. That is the thing, important and strange thing in this story, right?